All day today, trading in this market. US 100 played out well, very well. But okay, getting back to the basics. Right now, I'm going to be entering US dollar, Canadian dollar, and I spotted this pattern on the 4 hour, and I've charted it up to this nice parallel channel. Currently sits at a beautiful pattern here. So this pattern that you see right up here is called an evening star pattern, and it's kind of a perfect segue into this video because it's 2:40 end of New York session. So this evening pattern on the UC is playing out well. So I took the trade looking for a 1 to 20 or 20 to 1 risk reward with a 20 pip stop. And I have noticed that it was in correlation with the US dollar DXY. And as you can tell, the DXY is over its trend as well for its channel pattern. And this goes all the way back. I mean, multi-year pattern at 103. It's broke above, it's held resistance. I noticed this nice head and shoulders pattern that we broke out beyond. So head and shoulders pattern has been voided. So we actually are entering a double top pattern. So with that being said, I'm just going to chart it out here. So what I mainly do is place a square box to kind of give me an idea where that double top is. And that double top is great. And usually when you see a double top, you're going to see a lot of resistance. As you see this doji here in this area, it kind of rejected the top, and it's looking like a dragonfly pattern going to emerge. I was charting this on this fib. This fib is invalid right now. We did have a slight, as you can tell, imbalance here. It was a small imbalance that it broke above, and came back to retest here to break up to meet that double top. So with this double top pattern, I'm looking for it to come back down to 103, retest that, and again, it's in correlation with UC. And as you can tell, we're already in the money here, so it's looking pretty good. With that being said, on this challenge here, I picked up UC. I picked up a 1.5 lot, and I went with the little bit under a 20 pip stop loss. Same thing here. I'm going to be scaling in with a one standard lot, 0.75 and 0.50, looking to go with the same parameter. So again, a 20 to 1 risk reward will put us all the way down to 1.2458. So I'm looking to gain on this. This is a swing because I did so well today on the NASDAQ. It played out so well. End up, collecting 57, almost 5,800 on the NASDAQ. So I'm just going to swing this play into the rate decision, which is coming on Wednesday. So let's go and check out this, the news alert here. So the news alert, Wednesday, let's see. So this week, let's go to Wednesday and check out what time so we can alert ourselves for it. So US hour, let's go to US. All right, so we got the mortgage, which was low. We got the ADP numbers, which right here is pretty high. That's going to be a red ticket item to look out for. Balance of trade, export, market. So make sure this is Wednesday. Yes, this is the 4th. So we have significant numbers going to be coming out here. And I believe we also have the Feds that should be speaking. There we are. So the Fed's interest rate decision is going to be a big key decision there. So as you can tell, the Board of Governors are going to be meeting and deciding on the interest rate. I'm hearing either a quarter or half a percent basis point. It's going to be coming on Wednesday, but we will see. We definitely will see. Everyone's looking at 0.5%, which is right here. It was previous consensus is 1%, but we will see. But this is going to be definitely a volatile red ticket item for the market on Wednesday. So anyway, I'm swinging this until Wednesday. We're looking to get all the way down here. And if I would go all out a little bit for you so you can kind of see, here's the pattern. This is a pattern within a pattern. So this is one of my tools here is to kind of graft out the sideways channels. When things are going sideways, pretty much it's a consolidation. So all this is just, the movement is just consolidating, giving you a time to get in and giving you a time to get out. But it's not really saying where the market wants to go. As you can tell, it came back here. It did a retracement to create this area, then another area here to create the double bottom to give you your chart lines or your channel lines. And the same thing here. It came up here, here with this previous area touch, but it couldn't break out, and then it consolidated right there to drop. Here we are again at that level. Usually when you have your 3 area touch, we've already touched it 3 times. You usually have either a break and retest or a drop and retest. And right now what I'm looking at is a drop and retest. And I like to always chart and write on my charts to kind of give me a heads up on what's coming, you know. So if I were to go back down, you will see it on the 1 hour a little bit better. You can see that drop up to the channel line, and it's giving me a nice little entry. Usually I wait to the second candle, the second 1 hour or 4 hour to kind of give me, usually the 4 hour to give me, confirmation. But I'm a little aggressive here because today was a good day. So I usually will wait to about right there. The second candle will drop. It will close. Then once it closes, then it'll give me that confirmation. But this 4 hour candle closes at 5 today. So outside of that, that's pretty much it. This is UC technical trading. But basically, if you are a technical trader, you pretty much know everything about price action. You know about market structure, and those are the 2 things that I look for when I'm looking at my chart. I look at the market structure, which the structure gave me, a nice channel within a channel. I look at the price action, which was the evening pattern here. This is the evening star pattern. I usually look at that to give me my signals, and being that I got that signal, I don't need the second candle to enter. But we'll see how that plays out. I'll post more about this one later. I'll try to hold this one unless I see something better. Anyway, have a good one.